Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, the first thing you have to do is first you're gonna access your YouTube in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? Go ahead, tap on your profile icon below right corner and tap on this turn on incognito option just given beside the Google account. And now you can see here in the section you can find this kind of profile. It says you, and your incognito in YouTube is now active. So if you want to remove it, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this you again, and then it will show nothing is added to the you tab while you're incognito, and simply see this option called turn off. That's how you can enable it, and tapping on the turn off will simply disable that particular incognito tab, and you can now see your profile's information, and you go back and you can find your profile icon below right corner as well. That is how you can enable or disable the mode. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.